So you just picked up one of the brand new Samsung S23 phones, maybe the 23, 23 Plus, or the Ultra. You may have noticed that these phones are actually capable of supporting 8K. You may be wondering, or you've had this problem already, I can't see my screen to see that I am lined up with my cameras or I'm looking at my cameras correctly. Well, there's a solution for that for any smartphone or for the Samsungs, which is really great to use because of the high resolution. It's called Nicey Rig. Literally, this is a mirror that you attach to a cold shoe, and then you can see the footage of your screen while looking at the rear camera. Let's get into it and talk about it some more. What this allows you to do is essentially add a mirror to a cold shoe mount. Just add this guy to your mount or your gimbal, to your phone mount, any combination that you have that supports a cold shoe, just attach this. Then we'll align the mirror to face the screen of the phone so that you can see yourself. Is it perfect? No. You may not be able to see yourself entirely still because of the angle of the phone to the mirror, but it really does help in aligning you to your area and your background and making sure you are the primary focus, just like you would have if you had a camera that had a tilt-out screen or if you were using an add-on monitor with your camera. So I've tried to set up a very basic situation you may have here. You'd want to face into the light of a window so that you could get good lighting on your face. A combination like this to hold the phone in place. And then what we'll notice up here at the top is this is the little mirror that helps us see the screen of this phone. It's not a pure perfect setup to be able to see yourself, but you can see that I'm holding this S23 while I'm recording on this S23 Ultra as just an example of being able to record with these 8K cameras. A great solution to start off with without throwing down thousands of dollars and for a dedicated mirrorless camera. So this solution is a great starter or even a supplement to your camera for other needs, mobile needs, maybe vlogging needs. So these new cameras are really great. They are high resolution beyond anything that you probably have used because 8K is still in very few devices, and you probably can't even watch this content unless maybe you're on one of those very, very expensive 8K TVs. Here's a great setup that you could use to leverage the capabilities of your new S23 just a little bit more. So all the information about the setup that I've put together will be in the description. Any questions you have, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.